Welcome to this guide on Azure Synapse Serverless Query, a powerful tool for analyzing and processing large datasets in the cloud. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the process of getting started with Azure Synapse Serverless Query. First, let's start with the basics. Azure Synapse is a cloud-based analytics service that allows you to integrate and analyze data from various sources. The serverless query feature enables you to run queries on your data without having to provision or manage any infrastructure. To get started, you need to create an Azure Synapse workspace. This can be done by logging into the Azure portal and searching for Azure Synapse. Once you have created your workspace, you can navigate to the query section where you can start writing your queries. The next step is to connect to your data source. Azure Synapse supports a variety of data sources, including Azure Storage, Azure Data Lake, and external data sources such as SQL Server and Oracle. You can connect to your data source by clicking on the Connect to Data Source button and following the prompts. Once you have connected to your data source, you can start writing your queries. Azure Synapse uses a variant of the T-SQL language, so if you are familiar with T-SQL, you will feel right at home. You can write queries to select, filter, and aggregate your data, as well as perform more complex operations such as joins and subqueries. One of the key benefits of Azure Synapse Serverless Query is its ability to scale automatically. As your query runs, Azure Synapse will automatically scale up or down to ensure that your query completes as quickly as possible. This means that you do not have to worry about provisioning or managing any infrastructure, and you can focus on writing your queries and analyzing your data. In addition to its scalability, Azure Synapse Serverless Query also provides a number of other benefits, including cost-effectiveness and security. With Azure Synapse, you only pay for the queries that you run, so you can save money by only running queries when you need to. Azure Synapse also provides a number of security features, including encryption and access control, to ensure that your data is protected. To get the most out of Azure Synapse Serverless Query, there are a few best practices to keep in mind. First, make sure to optimize your queries for performance. This can include using indexes, caching, and other techniques to improve query speed. You should also make sure to secure your data by using encryption and access control. In conclusion, Azure Synapse Serverless Query is a powerful tool for analyzing and processing large datasets in the cloud. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can get started with Azure Synapse and start realizing the benefits of serverless query. Remember to optimize your queries for performance, secure your data, and take advantage of the scalability and cost-effectiveness of Azure Synapse. With Azure Synapse Serverless Query, you can focus on analyzing your data and driving business insights, without having to worry about the underlying infrastructure.